Northeastern Electric Power Corporation NEEPCO kalaiti yakakali bala banshang hadu reungut neka 6-seater battery shaka military hospital la banong bakani kakali kan pensuk bankin ya kinongpang kibadan hakani ke hospital ya kani ke jing IT la shimbenta do Major General Rajesh Jha Director Personnel ke NEEPCO Lieutenant General Sanjay Malik GOC 101 bat kiwei kibashakhat snopha.
Day for me to be offering this small little offering to I came here by this awkward timing because I'm right now sitting in a video conference with Delhi, where just short of coming here, we were being addressed by our defense minister. And one of the major points he told us that it's the role of the areas and sub-areas to ensure civil-military fusion. So what General Jha gave an example of MH Shillong coming out to assist on a Sunday. I assure Team NEEPCO that should it be even an emergency procedure, we have provisions for not authorized people on payment to be done, but provided we have a specialist for that, right? So you would never hear a no from us. MH has, even if there's a road accident on this highway, MH has been the first respondent always. So I'm very happy with the present team at MH Shillong also. So when you were offshoring GOC, to now you would have seen that we've got a CT scan here below. We've got a lot of things. My requirement for this electrical vehicle, I had two requirements. One was cardiac or a critical care ambulance, which the Army Commander very graciously gave us money, which we have just acquired on 29th of March. And the second was the electrical vehicles. And why so? Because from the gate, the veterans get down and they come to ECHS Polyclinic, which may be just a 50-meter walk, but look at their age. Then the MOIC refers them for an X-ray or an ultrasound. Look at the distance from there to the base of this place. And we're so happy, we tried this vehicle with 6 people and all 6 could go down till the CT scan and climb up. That was one of my concerns, that there are a number of electrical vehicles, but an electrical vehicle which can take the slope and the road. And also, if in case in this small stretch of the highway coming from Guwahati, if there...
Military Hospital Shillong came as a savior that day, and I came here myself in the van. I sat in this corridor, which I had the privilege of inspecting a few months ago, and nothing was charged from us. I must tell this to the area commandant commandant. We thought there'll be some charges. Every single member of the MH that day, who were not even on duty, came back from home just to help us get the needful done. So I think this gratitude on behalf of NEEPCO, I thought I will express and try and place it on record. And this is just, nothing can actually replace that gratitude. But I thought it's a good idea to at least get associated permanently, because individuals will come and go. But Military Hospital Shillong, 101 area in NEEPCO is here to stay. And this is just the first step, this is just the beginning. I am looking at institutionalized support from NEEPCO towards the 101 area in general, and in particular the MH and the Asha school. So to that extent, I think I'm grateful to my CSR team also, who were more than willing to do the heavy lifting for me, because after all, they have to do all the logistics, and they made it happen. So thank you, my CSR team.